Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DSGT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look, let's do this. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and not gigantic volume, but definitely bigger than what the average volume is. And with that final 30 minutes, which is what this candle here represents, definitely quite a few eyeballs on it. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance going into tomorrow and the remainder of the week. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 006. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 006, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power. Next level of support after that would be that previous breakout point right there at 005. So in the near term, 006, 005, two of those key levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from more of a big picture type perspective. So this definitely assumes you have more of a broader time horizon, but that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way of measuring the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Again, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion, top priority by far right now has nothing to do with breaking levels of resistance. It's all about building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over longer periods of time, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building higher lows and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.